memorial presentation. I am married. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the eldest child in the family. I am college undergraduate of information technology. I have experience before working as domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties are cleaning the house, washing, ironing clothes, marketing, and car washing. And I cook Filipino dishes. I have to learn Chinese dishes, and I have to learn Cantonese language. I love taking care of children. I prepare them healthy foods on time. I give them vitamins and medicine as prescribed. I help them to take a bath. I prepare them for school, teach them after school, and play them, singing and dancing with them. I love her very much as my own children. For my future employer, Sir, Madam, I promise I do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.